Hi, my name is Angela Price and I'm the owner of Eden Condensed Small Space Garden Design. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about using strawberry plants in your landscape. I love to use strawberries in planters. For example, here I have a planter that has some beautiful Swiss chard as well as some strawberries. And so even when it's not strawberry season, strawberries have these really beautiful shiny green leaves, and so they do add nicely to your planterscapes as well as to your landscape. So here I've got a bit of a bare spot that happens, so I'm going to tuck a couple more strawberry plants in here. And the nice thing about strawberries is that they do kind of spill over to the side. They do send runners out, so you can have strawberries cover up the side of a pot as well. And this will fill in really nicely, and in the springtime you'll get beautiful red juicy strawberries. Strawberries do need full sun. They also like nice well-drained soil that's well fertilized too. So it's important to keep those things in mind when you're planting strawberries. If you have any other questions about incorporating strawberries into your landscape, please contact me at www.edencondensed.com. Thank you very much.